Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening both files and saving them so links reference stable files. Next, select the exact Excel cells or chart you need and copy them. This ensures formatting and data transfer. Move to PowerPoint and pick the slide and position for the content. Once there, use Paste Special and choose Paste Link. This creates a live connection. You do this because a linked object updates automatically when the Excel source changes, keeping your slide accurate without manual edits. Once linked, you need to control how updates behave and how the object looks. Choose between an editable Excel object or a picture link. One keeps formulas, the other is static-looking but lighter. Then, resize and format the linked object on the slide so text and graphics align with your layout. Make sure to check the Links Manager under File, Info, Edit links to files to set automatic updates or manual prompts. Doing this prevents broken references and gives you predictable update timing during presentations. To finish, save both Excel and PowerPoint to a stable location. Relative paths reduce breakage risk. Before you present, explicitly update links so the slide reflects the latest numbers. Use File, Info, or right-click the object and choose Update Link. If the link breaks because the source moved, don't panic. Reopen Excel, copy the range, and reapply Paste Special as a link on the same slide. This restores live updates. One key tip: avoid renaming or moving the Excel file after linking, and if problems...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.